Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and crystal-clear rivers, there lived a compassionate princess named Amelia. Despite her royal upbringing, Princess Amelia often yearned to understand the lives of her people beyond the palace walls. One sunny morning, disguised in a simple cloak and hood, Princess Amelia ventured into the bustling marketplace of her kingdom. She walked among the villagers, marveling at their daily routines and the warmth of their smiles. As she strolled through the crowd, her eyes fell upon a weary beggar sitting by the roadside. The beggar, named Ben, was weathered by years of hardship. His clothes were tattered, and his eyes reflected a lifetime of struggles. Despite his appearance, Ben possessed a gentle spirit and a heart full of wisdom. Princess Amelia approached him with curiosity, struck by his serene demeanor amidst adversity. "Good day, kind sir," Princess Amelia greeted him softly. Ben looked up, surprised to be addressed with such respect. "Good day to you, young lady. What brings you to this humble corner of the world?" "I am Princess Amelia," she confessed with a smile. "Today, I am simply a curious traveler seeking to understand the lives of my people." Ben chuckled warmly. "Oh, royalty in disguise. What a delightful twist fate has brought us. Tell me, Princess Amelia, what do you hope to discover?" The princess settled beside Ben, captivated by his words. They spoke for hours, sharing stories of their lives and dreams. Ben spoke of the hardships faced by the less fortunate, while Princess Amelia shared her vision of a kingdom where compassion and understanding reigned supreme. As the sun began to set, Princess Amelia bid farewell to Ben, promising to visit him again. She returned to the palace with a newfound appreciation for the diversity and resilience of her kingdom's people. Days turned into weeks, and Princess Amelia continued to visit Ben regularly. She brought him food and clothing, and together they devised plans to improve the lives of the kingdom's poor. News of the princess' humility and generosity spread far and wide, inspiring others to lend a helping hand to those in need. One evening, as they watched the sunset together, Princess Amelia turned to Ben with gratitude in her eyes. "You have taught me more than any book ever could, Ben. Your kindness and resilience have touched my heart." Ben smiled softly. "And you, Princess, have reminded me that even in the darkest of times, there is always room for compassion and hope." From that day onward, Princess Amelia and Ben worked tirelessly to create a kingdom where every voice was heard and every heart was cherished. Their tale became legend, a testament to the power of empathy and the transformative magic of understanding. And so, in a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and crystal-clear rivers, Princess Amelia and Ben, the humble beggar, embarked on a journey that would forever change their lives and the lives of all who called the kingdom their home.